This is the sixth chapter from your textbook. After 20 years. Chapter is named after 20 years because two friends promised to meet each other after a period of 20 years. The incident in this story takes place at around 10 p.m. along a dark, windy New York City business avenue. It begins with a policeman who discovers a man standing in a dark doorway. The man then proceeds to explain why he is there. The policeman on the beat moved up the avenue impressively. The impressiveness was habitual and not for show, for spectators were few. The time was barely 10 o'clock at night, but chilly gusts of wind with a taste of rain in them had well nigh depeopled the streets. So, this is the description of the place that the policeman was moving about and moving in a very impressive way, and that was his habit. It was not just for show that he was doing, it was his habit. And though there were very few spectators and the time was 10 o'clock in the night, the wind was blowing, and also it seemed as if it would be raining with a taste of rain in them, means little bit. The way the wind was blowing, it showed that it might rain. The vicinity was one that kept early hours. Now and then you might see the lights of a cigar store or of an all night lunch counter, but the majority of the doors belonged to places that had long since been closed. Now, this is a marketplace where you can find, now and then you can see the lights of cigar stores, and some people who are having all night lunch counters, who are working all night. Those kind of shops were opened, others were all closed. When about midway of a certain block, the policeman suddenly slowed his walk. In the doorway of a darkened hardware store, a man leaned with an unlighted cigar in his mouth. As the policeman walked up to him, the man spoke up quickly. "It's all right, officer," he said. "I'm just waiting for a friend. It's an appointment made 20 years ago. Sounds a little funny to you, doesn't it? Well, I'll explain if you'd like to make certain it's all straight. About that long ago, there used to be a restaurant where this store stands, Big Joe Brady's restaurant. Now, over here, the policeman suddenly, as he was walking, he slowed down and he saw a man, a lean man, means uh, he saw a man leaned with a unlighted cigarette, means he was standing there, a man who had a cigar in his mouth, but it was not lighted, it was not lit. The policeman walked up to him, and as the policeman walked towards this man, the man asked, "It's all right, officer," the man said. "I am just waiting for a friend over here, and this appointment was made 20 years ago." And then he says to the policeman that this really sounds odd that a person has made an appointment 20 years ago, but yes, it is the fact. About that long period, the promise has been made, and therefore he is here waiting for his friend. And then he says that there used to be a restaurant over here, Big Joe Brady's restaurant used to be there. "Until 5 years ago," said the policeman. "It was torn down then." Now policeman is saying, yes, this restaurant used to be there, but 5 years ago it has been closed down.